Hello students, my name is Pinkal Thakkar and today we are going to do chapter number 7, Jugs and Mugs. Bunny and Bunno celebrate their wedding anniversary. Now we all know that in the last class we have studied that Bunny celebrated their wedding last year. Bunny and Bunno decided to have a party 1 year after their wedding. So they are throwing a party to everybody. They invited their family and friends. They made a special sweet dish, kheer. All the animals came running, hopping, and even crawling. You can see in the picture itself only, you can see all the different types of animals. Long live Bunny and Bunno. They all are praying for them. The elephant is drinking 50 liters of kheer. Now see, you can see bucket in everybody's hand or mouth, I can say. So they are drinking what? They are drinking kheer. So elephant is drinking 50 liters of kheer. Let us care for giraffe and cow. For giraffe we guess suppose he is drinking 20 liters of kheer. And for cow suppose it is drinking 15 liters of kheer. Then came the squirrel. She said, I can't drink 1 liter of kheer. Please give me only 500 milliliter. Now what is she saying? Squirrel is saying that she cannot drink 1 liter. So she wants 500 milliliter. The donkey asked, 500 milliliter of kheer, isn't that more than a liter? The fox said, come on, don't behave like a donkey. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. We all know that. So 500 milliliter is half a liter. So half a liter will be how much? 500 milliliter. Yes. So that's. Next, what happened? Who came to the party? The frog hopped along with 9 other friends. He said, oh, we only want 100 milliliter each. Okay, here is your kheer, said the cat. Now, who is serving the kheer? You can see in the photo itself only, cat is serving the kheer. She took 10 glasses and poured 100 milliliter kheer in each glass. Now, see, you can see glasses over there. Each glass is of 100 milliliter. Now, the frog already said before that each of us wants 100 milliliter. So total 10 frogs are there. So 10 glasses of kheer. Next, donkey looked confused and asked, 10 glasses of 100 ml each. How much is that? Okay, so now the donkey is confused. 10 glasses of 100 ml each. How much is that? We have to find out. Now, 1 glass of milk will be of 100 liters. So, 10 glasses of milk will be 10 into 100, which will be 1000 liter. So, how much is that? It is 1000 liter. The fox got another chance to show off. He said, that is very simple. 10 times 100 milliliters, right now only I showed you. The 10 times 100 milliliter is 1000 milliliters, which is equal to, we all know 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Now, you write it 10 into 100 ml equals to 1000 milliliter. Okay. Look, now who is coming next to the party? A group of ants is marching here. The grasshopper said. Grasshopper looked from the far and he is saying that we are having a visitor and that is ants. The kheer is finished. Now what can we do? The cat said sadly. Now the kheer is finished and still the guests are coming. So what happened? The cat got sad. Now what will I give to this ants? So she is getting so much worried about it. Don't worry, they won't drink much. Each of them will take only 1 milliliter. That is all. I will share my kheer with them. The elephant said and wiped the cat tears with his ear. Now the cat was crying because she was worried. that what will she give to the ants? So the elephant came and said that don't worry, I will share my kheer with all of them. How many are you all together? The elephant asked. Now the elephant asked the ants that how many of you have came to the party? So we are only 1,000, said the ants. The cat said, oh no, 1,000. We have to give kheer to 1,000 ants. After thinking, the elephant said, no problem, I can manage. What happened? Elephant asked the ants, how many of you have came to the party? So the ants said, we are 1,000. Cat again got worried. She said, oh no, 1,000. So many ants. So the elephant started thinking. Then he said, don't worry, I will manage everything. Each ant drinks 1 milliliter of kheer. So 1,000 ants drink. Now 1,000 means 1,000 into 1 milliliter to each of them. So what will be your answer? 1,000 into 1 will be 1,000 milliliter. They will need the same as the 10 frogs, said the donkey. Now we have studied in the previous page that 10 frogs drink 100 ml each. So we got the answer 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 1000 ants. All the ants drank the kheer. Everyone was happy. They sang and danced to celebrate the wedding anniversary. We can see in the photo itself only that they are singing and dancing and enjoying the. Who can have 1 liter kheer? Do you like kheer? What do you call it at home? We also call it at home as kheer. How much kheer can you have? Here I can think I can have kheer at least 5 ml, 5 milliliter of kheer. Can you drink 1 liter water at one time? No, I cannot drink. Definitely nobody can drink 1 liter of bottle at a time. You need some break in between. Now look at the girl. What is she saying? I think I can drink 1 liter. The girl is saying that she can drink 1 liter of water. I can drink 400 ml. The boy is saying that he can drink 400 ml. Now look at next. The donkey is trying to look for different ways to add up to 1 liter. Help him complete the chart. Let us start helping him. We have to add up all and get the answer 1 liter. Now we all know that 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. So we have to add up to 1000. Now here 200 is given. We will write 800 because 800 plus 200 will give up to 1000. Next is over yellow 250 is given to you. We have to find the other 2. Now subtract 1000 minus 250, you will get 750. So if we divide 750, we can get 350 and 400. Next is this one. Very simple. We can write 900 plus 100. Next is 3. We can write 500 plus 250 plus 250. Yes, adding up all you will get the answer 1000 ml. Next is the last one. Let us check this one. 100 is given. You have to find the rest 3. Suppose I can make it 300 each. So I'll add up to 1000. Okay. Now look around. Look at these pictures. Now look for some other things we can get in packets or bottle like this. Make your own list. Okay, see, you can see different pictures. One is given milk and that is of 500 ml. Suppose I take ketchup and that is of 1 liter, that is 1000 milliliter I can say. Then I can take a oil bottle that can be of 1 liter and so on. We can say different measurements. You can have many other options like this from your house only. Next is my 1 liter bottle. Have you seen a 1 liter water bottle? Definitely we all have seen it. Look at it. What we have to do? collect a 1 liter bottle and some other small bottles. Guess how many times you have to pour from each of the small bottles to fill the liter bottle. So it is already shown with the girl. She is filling a very big bottle with a small bottle. So you have to count how many small bottles did you pour it in the big bottle. So let us try with that activity. Check if your guess is correct and fill the table. Bottles 1, 2, 3 is given. Let us solve 3 bottles. Suppose I have a bottle of 100 ml. How many times will I fill it to fill 1 liter? Then what we have to do, divide 1000 divided by 100. Cancel out, so 10 times. Suppose if I have 200 ml bottle, then what will I do? Divide it by 2. I will get 5 times. Then if I take 300, let us take something new. If I take 50, then how many times do I have to take? 20 times. So on, we can solve other 2 bottles also. You can take your own guess and solve it. Look what Adhiyan is saying. I poured 2 small bottles of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. Now see, he has a big bottle whose measurement is 1 liter, and he has a small bottle and he has to fill this big bottle. Now he is saying that I am filling 1 liter of bottle by using the small bottle only 2 times. How much water does his small bottle hold? Now see, we all know that they are saying that we have to talk about 1 liter of bottle. So if 1000 ml is being poured only 2 times by the bottle, then when we divide we get 500 ml. So what is the size of this bottle? It is 500 ml. How much does it hold? 500 ml. Next is a girl named Leela. To fill the 1 liter bottle, I need to pour water 5 times from my small bottle. Now again, for filling this big bottle, she is using a small bottle and she is telling she is filling it 5 times. So how much liter does 1 time bottle hold? Again divided by 5. So it will be 200 ml. When you divide, you will get the answer 200. Ramu's measuring bottle. Now see, what is he doing? Ramu got an empty 250 ml coconut oil bottle. Look at the picture and discuss what did he did to make his big measurement bottle. He had put 250 ml, 500 ml, 750 ml and 1 liter ml on the scale. Now he is using different bottles and he is pouring each every time, so he can understand that how much liter does this bottle have. Okay, now moving on to next. My measuring bottle. Okay, this is an activity. Find your own way to make a bottle which can measure 200 ml, 400 ml, 600 ml, 800 ml and 1 liter. Discuss with your friends and teachers how you made this. Now how will we make this? We will take a bottle like the bottle shown in the upper picture and we will mark them with 250, 500 and so on. And then we'll use different bottles and fill it up. Then we will come to know that which bottle contains how many milliliters. Guess and check. Look at the buckets, mugs, glass and other things in your house. Guess how much water each can hold. Check in your guess in right by using your measuring bottle. Suppose my mug is filling 100 ml of water. Now to fill a 1 liter bottle, how many ml of 100 ml you have to put? So divide again 1000 by 100. So you will get 10 times. Yes, so on you have to find for different objects. Look in the picture below. I think this carry between 250 ml to 100 ml. Now see, This girl is looking for all the different vessels you have in the house, and then she is guessing that how much water it can hold. Now the boy, it is thinking, I think it is a little less than 750 ml. Neetu in hospital. Neetu has to take 3 injections in a day for 5 days. Now, one injection gives 5 ml of medicine to your body. How much medicine will she need for 1 day? Now, see, each injection is having how many? 5 ml. One injection contains 5 ml. So, she has to take 3 injections in a day. So how many ml? So that will be 5 into 3, which will be 15 ml. So how many injections, how many ml did she take in 1 day? 15 ml injection she takes in 1 day. So if 15 ml is in 1 day, what is the next question? How much medicine is in all for 5 days? Now they are saying that if for 1 day she is taking 15 ml, then for 5 days she will take how much? So 15 into 5, that will be 75 ml. Now, how much medicine will I need for one injection? You can see in the photo and guess, it is 4 ml. Okay. Now, look at the next activity. How much do we use at a time? Suppose there is eye drops. We use less than 1 milliliter at a time. Then we have a cough syrup. We use it 10 ml or 20 ml, and so on, many other things. You have to guess and you have to write down. List things we can use more than 1 liter. One answer is given: water for taking bath, water for drinking. Then we can have cold drinks which can be of more than 1 liter. We can have kheer as we have studied, and many more. Practice time. Amina's water bottle holds 1 liter of water. Now see everybody, how much water does it hold? It holds 1 liter of water. She drank 250 ml of water. How much water did she drink? She drank 250 ml of water. So, and her friend Govind drank 150. So total how many ml? So 150 plus 250 ml water is being used from the bottle. So total it will be 400 ml of water is being used from the bottle. Now what is the question asking? How much is left? Now 1 liter means 1000 ml. Now from this 1000 ml, 400 ml is being drank by Amina and Govind. So how much is left? 600 ml of water is left. So how many ml? 600 ml of water is left. Next question. Yusuf runs a tea shop. For making a glass of tea, he uses 20 ml of milk. See, for 1 glass, he is using 20 ml. Yesterday, he made 100 glasses. How much milk did he use? Again, the question of one and many. So, if for 1 glass, he is using 20 ml. Then for 100 glasses, he will use how much? So, what are we going to do? Again, the question of one and many. So, multiply 100 into 20. So, what will you get the answer? 0, 0, 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2. Add 2000 milliliter. How many? 2000 milliliter of milk, which is also equal to 2 liters. Radha's grandma was ill. The doctor gave her a bottle with 200 ml of medicine. She had to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. How many milliliter of water medicine does she have to take every morning? Now see, the bottle was of 200 milliliter and she has to take for 10 days. So for 1 day we have to find out what we will do. We will divide it by 10. So each day she had to take 20 milliliter of medicine. Water. The table shows the water used in one day by a family of 5 people. They live in a Gudalur village. Look at the activities. Cooking and drinking, they use 30 liters. Washing clothes, 40 liters. Cleaning pots and pans, 20 liters. And bathing, 75 liters. So total how much they have used? Let us add them up. 5. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, that is 5. 3 plus 4, that is 7. 7 plus 7, that is 14. 14 plus 2 is 115 and 16. 165 liter of water the family is using on daily basis. Yes, so much water. How many liter of water does your family use in a day? Guess and fill the table. Do it everybody. Try and guess how much your family is using the water and how much water you are also using. Drops and drops make an ocean. Is there any tap in your school or your home which is leaking? How much water do you think we waste through leaking a tap? Place your little jar below the leaking tap so as to catch all the drops in the bottle. Note the time. After 1 hour, check how much water is in the bottle. Yes, this is a very good thing. Everybody should do this. Why? Because if there is any leaking tap, if you keep a bottle or a bucket, then you can collect the water and it will be saved from getting wasted. Find out how much water is wasted in a day. Okay, do activity, see where the water is getting wasted and try to keep a note of that. Then try for in a week, in a month and in a year total how much amount of water is getting wasted. Chelanur village has a milk society. Geeta and Amini went there to buy 4 liter of milk, but the man could not find the 1 liter measure. He had only 3 liters and a 5 liter bottle with him, but he gave them exactly 4 liters of milk. Explain how he did this. He do it. See, he had 3 liter of bottle and 5 liter of bottle. So he gave 3 liter whole milk to the girls and from the 5 liter bottle he gave 1 liter. So total they got 4 liters of milk. Thank you. Have a nice day.